And here young people are being given instructions on the 30th to hurt illegal foreigners. That one, it shall never happen for as long as I'm alive. To the young people, don't let them use you. Don't let them tell you on the 30th you must remove illegal foreigners. You will go to jail and they will not bail you out. Don't use our children for your political agendas. If you want to remove illegal foreigners, do it by yourself. Bring your own children so that the cops will deal with you.
Wait, Mackenzie. Let's take it from the beginning.
You that still feel they must remain here. You that still feel that we are insensitive, I've got one message for you. When they leave, you can also pack your bag and you can go with them because they are going home.
I-March and March i-organization eyakheke ngamalungu omphakathi abelonga kuma-political parties amaningi ahlukene, kodwa into ebahlanganisayo bane-frustration eyodwa. Njengoba manje belwa udaba lwabantu abangama-illegal immigrants. Ngakho-ke kulindelekile ukuthi uma kuthiwa kune-March and March iyamasha kuphi, sibona ama-political parties ehlukene engxenye, futhi kakhulukazi uma isanda kusungulwa kwakunaleyo nto leyo, ngoba kwavela abantu befeke izikipa zey'nhlangano zabo ezehlukahlukeneyo. Sibabonile-ke nabanye ama-leaders eyiseka kulamamashi wabo, bebaseka nje kuyonke into abayilwelayo. So ekugcineni sebeney'kipa-ke ze-March and March, so sebekwazi ukuthi behlukaniseke ukuthi hayi i-March and March. Kodwa nje uma beqala bebehamba nje kungabantu nje ababizwa nge-March and March benomholi wabo kunguJacinta. Njengoba bese ngichazile ekuqaleni ukuthi i-March and March i-organization eyakheka ngamalungu omphakathi abelonga kuma-political parties ahlukahlukeneyo, aney'nkolelo ezehlukahlukeneyo, kodwa abane-frustration eyodwa. Sizokhumbula ukuthi uma uGayton Mackenzie campaigner for ama-general elections ka-2024 waze waduma, wayimemeza njalo ethi abahambe. Bekulindelekile ukuthi i-PA izoyisupport i-March and March, kodwa ngenxa yokuthi sithi sizula ikhonkoti nethambo emlonyeni, uGayton selokhu athola iposition yokuba uminister. Kusuka ngalelo langa waqala ukupraise uPresident Cyril Ramaphosa. Kusuka ngalelo langa yonke lento ayithembisa abantu laba bamvotela waba against yona. Yingakho-ke manje makuludaba lwabantu laba kuthiwa bafike la ngokungekho semthethweni eSouth Africa, ebonakala njengomuntu against bona. Uphakela Umthakathi ukhiphe i-deadline yangomhla ka-30 kuJune ukuthi i-deadline funeka abantu bebe sebengasekho, noma angazi kodwa ukuthi yini into ezokwenza ngomhla ka-30, okanye kuzoba ne-march, okanye kuzokwenzakalani. Akekho nje osakhuluma into eqondile ukuthi nansi into ezokwenza ngomhla ka-30. Ngakho-ke uGayton uthe mayikhuluma nge-16 June exwayisa abantu, wathi yena akafuni ukuthi kube khona ilunga le-PA elizoba ingxenye, futhi ucela namalungu abantu nje ukuthi bangabi ingxenye lokho ngoba bazoboshwa, kukhulu okuzokwenzeka. Akafuni futhi akafuni kube khona namunye umuntu ozohlasela abantu bokufika ekubeni yena ngesikhathi ayecampaigner.
After we've been sworn in, I'm going straight to Rahima Musa Hospital, where we're going to switch off the oxygen of illegal foreigners.
Bathembisile abalandeli bakho ukuthi uma nje thatha isifungo nje uye Rahima Musa Hospital uyocisha imishini ezobisekela impilo zalabantu abangama illegal immigrants. Kodwa namhlanje ukhuluma okuhlukile kunale nkulumo izwayo, njengoba ubonile mayiqala ivideo. Ngakho-ke enkulumeni abenayo izolo uJacinta uyiphendulile. Yingakho kungenza le video yamanje. uJacinta uyiphendulile inkulumo kaGayton. Into engizoyenza manje ngizocaphunela inkulumo kaGayton bese ngicaphunela impendulo kaJacinta bese siyayivala le video.
So I don't want to see a PA member at March to March. I'm not a leader that wants to be fashionable like Mashaba Khutala, but leading my people to jail. Who's going to bail you? Then your mother must go alone. Where will Mackenzie be? We don't want those things. This is our country. We love this country. We must behave. What more do you want? What more do you want? Can you see that illegal foreigners, buses are fighting? Malawians are even fighting to go back home. El Dorado Park was never touched. Annandale and those places. So as a leader of the PA, I'm telling every PA member, do not assault children. Do not assault illegal foreigners. That is not who we are. That's not, you mustn't go with the hype. We are not Action SA. We want nothing to do with March to March. I'm telling you today, stay far away. I know what is coming. They think the state is scared of them. You see, President Ramaphosa had something I learned from him. President Ramaphosa has got something I learned from him. He doesn't move with the wind. He's very calculative. He looks at stuff. But I think the time has come now. We cannot be brand South Africa's image is people with spears, and they think people are all scared of them. We are not scared of them. We have our army in the Patriotic Alliance. It's a disciplined green army. So I want to warn every member of the PA, if you're going to make yourself guilty of assaulting illegal foreigners, we will expel you. If you want to make yourself guilty of some mocking people on the 30th of June, they gave a deadline. Bly baie weg. The state is going to act. I'm part of the state. We will act. So I am telling you today, don't go to that march. Don't be part of March to March. If somebody dies there, you will be... If somebody dies there, you will be charged with murder. You will be charged with murder. President Ramaphosa and them, they've done nothing about illegal foreigners before we came there. Why do you think they say no, the state is acting because they march? You started to march yesterday, last month. We have, and not Gayton McKenzie, other ministers. Imagine, so I want to say to PA people, we will not be part of anarchy in our country.
Jacinta pendula uGayton McKenzie uphendula kanje. Dear Gayton McKenzie, a member of March and March, Teresa Noche, who's also leader of the Patriotic Alliance, was kicked on the street like a dog by foreign nationals and opened a case that is still currently pending. You, Gayton, didn't say a single thing. You offered her no support, nor did anyone from the PA. Teresa had suffered death threats and had gun pulled out for her by foreign nationals, and you did not even bother yourself with defending her. Now you are claiming March and March said they will be violent on the 30th. When did ever hear us say anything about violence? Because it's you as government that are fearmongers. We have marches every day. What will stop us from being violent if that is our intention? We get that you are enjoying being in power, but you must never think being in power makes one invisible, and must ignore the cries of the very people that put him in there. We have enjoyed a very good relationship with the PA so far, and I'm not sure what is going on with you, but whatever it is must not distort who we are as March and March, and ride a wave of calling us and labeling us what we are not. If you fear violence so much, then why do you no longer speak about the violence in South Africans suffer at the hands of foreign nationals? You are nowhere to be found, even to support the likes of Mazwi or children dying from spaza shops poisoning, or those who die at the hands of drugs, or children who are trafficked or kidnapped? Why have you changed from the person who promised to fight for the people against foreign nationals? Nonetheless, we remain on the course to defend South Africa and South Africans who are suffering in their country due to the influx of millions of unknown, illegal, and undocumented people who are in this country making us feel unsafe. In your own country, we wish you all the best as the minister. Yona mpendulo ke lena ekhisho uJacinta eyibhekise kuGayton Mackenzie. Ngicela ukuzwa ukuphawula kwakho la ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani. Ngoba phela uGayton Mackenzie simazi njengalomuntu omele abantu base South Africa ongenankinga nabantu ababuya kwamanye amazwe kodwa onenkinga nabantu abangene eSouth Africa ngokungekho semthethweni. Konakelephi? Kujikephi? So yingakho ke uJacinta embhalela ukuthi njoba lo mama lo nimbona yes uyilunga lePA njengoba ngishilo eqala ngithi imatch match yakhiwe ngamalungu omphakathi kodwa avela kuma organization ahlukene kuma political parties ahlukene. Njengoba nje uyilunga lePA kodwa ngesikhathi ekhishwe emzini wakhe yazi sengake ngayibona lento kona komunye umuzi lo mama lo warentisela abantu abangesibaba la wabarentisela bathi besuka lapho bangabhadala irent. Ugcine lo mama eqiqe inkantolo ngoba phela abantu banamalungelo eSouth Africa ukwazi ukuvela ukhipha umuntu nje ethi akanandawo kugcine sesaba yena umuzi wakhe uluze kanjalo. Maningi ama-flat noma ama-buildings ahijackiwe ngenxa yokuthi kunezinkantolo nama-organization imission yawo okukwenza sure ukuthi adefenda labantu abenza into ezirong. Uma uhulumeni uthi uyabakhipha laba bantu aba-evicta kulama buildings asuka lama organization ayezinkantolo ayovimba ukuthi akungenzeki lokho bese inkantolo ifika ithi uma labantu bekhishwa bazohlalaphi. Kungasakhathalekile ukuthi labantu bebehlala ngaphambilini. uPanyaza Lusufi wathi uma abantu bekhanda imkhukhu akasezukuhlupha manje uzovuka ngo4 ekseni afike badilize lo mkhukhu. Kwasuka ama-organization futhi ayommangalela athi akakwazi it's inhumane. Ubona ukuthi labantu khona abantu afuneka baphula umthetho bese kuba khona abantu ababadefendayo. Siphila nje kwi-South Africa njalo angazi mina kwenzakalani kodwa sengike ngakubona mina umuntu akhishwe endlini yakhe angasabi nakhaya ngoba ithathwe abantu laba bavela kwamanye amazwe. Angibambe le video ngicela ukuza ukuphawula kwakho ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani lelo daba esixoxayo. Kodwa mina nawe sidibane kwi-video elandelayo. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ngiyazalwa njalo ngomhla ka 26 kuJuni. Ngiyazicelela nje ningiphi imali.